job, but the more important thing, how to keep the job in the long-term run. And you see here, this is a research which is done by Stanford Research International. According to research, the question or survey has been sent to 500 CEOs or managers, and they will be asked to respond. What are the most important things for you to keep the person in the job? 75% of the managers said soft skills are important for them to keep the person in the job. It is very important today, you know, many bankruptcies are heard by all of us through all of the world. That's why it is better to keep a secure and long-term position by obtaining soft skills experience. So next slide, I will talk about the